Hey everybody, here in the office on Friday, finally. It's been a long week, I'm sure. Just wanted to drop in and let everybody know that we're having an open house on Sunday, March 1st at 573 West Morristown Road. That's just off of 512. It's in the Nazareth School District, and this is one you don't want to miss. It's got something for everyone. It's 2,800 square feet, all brick ranch house, and it's on almost 10 full acres. It's got a 3-car garage. It's got a 40 by 60 pole barn. I have heard people say, oh, I found a garage and it also has a house. For those of you who have a lot of toys or maybe even a lot of animals, because this would be a perfect property for horses as well. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and it's got a jacuzzi room off of the master bedroom. All in all, it's a gorgeous house. It's listed for $495, and again, we will be there on Sunday, March 1st from 1 to 3 p.m. Don't miss it. Bye, guys.